Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the surface and tools so dust and oils won't trap under the protector. First, use the wet wipe to remove fingerprints, then the dry wipe to evaporate moisture. This prevents bubbles. Once done, use a dust sticker for final specks because tiny debris causes lifting. Make sure to handle by the edges, align cutouts precisely, and test fit without removing the full backing so the protector seats correctly before you commit. You now apply the protector with controlled motion to keep alignment and avoid trapped air. Peel the backing halfway, hold the protector by the edges, and set the top edge first so cameras and sensors align. Then lower the rest slowly while confirming alignment. This prevents skewing. Once the film contacts glass, press with a squeegee or stiff card from the center outward to push air toward the edges. If bubbles appear, keep smoothing. Most small ones dissipate. You finish by sealing edges and checking for imperfections to ensure durability and touch accuracy. After fully applying, run the squeegee along the perimeter to bond adhesive. A short burst of low heat can help conform edges. If you see a tiny bubble, lift the nearest edge slightly, use a dust sticker to remove particles, and press back down. That's why you avoid oily fingerprints. If the protector is severely misaligned or bent, lift carefully and realign immediately or replace it. Adhesive weakens with repeated handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.